Hey you! Do you know how to create this fantastic search box in Excel? Just typing the letter and getting the result like in this example. So let's go! First of all, go to Developer and choose Insert. Here, you have to click on the text box. Then, draw the area of the search box and right-click of the mouse and choose Properties. In the linked cell, you have to type the number of the cell that you wanna fix. In this case, F5. The next step, you need to click on the design mode to get out. At this point, let's write our formula. Equal, filter, we select the columns of our data, comma, left, we select the position column, comma, len, we select the cell of search box, close the bars, equal, again select the cell of search box, comma, open the quotes and write none. As the result, we have created this amazing search box. Guys, help to develop this channel. Just put your like and subscribe.